On the night of August 14th in San Diego, a police officer was found with semen on his belt after transporting a female suspect. The body cam was turned off, the patrol car never reached the station. So what really happened inside that vehicle? Was it a mistake or an unforgivable abuse of power? Follow the full story behind the mysterious belt. San Diego, 8:38 p.m., August 14th, 2023. What seemed like a routine arrest quickly turned into one of the most shocking incidents in San Diego police history.
Why are you guys tripping like that? I can't come out of the junction.
Listen to him.
I can't come out of the junction. Put your hands behind your back. Hey, with the light on my fucking face, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, okay.
Do not move. Just like that. Do not move. Don't move.
Why are you guys... Yeah, put your hands behind your back for me. Just like that, David.
Hey, can you guys get on him and
Yeah, we'll get it. One at a time, guys. One at a time.
One hand, dog.
My name is Israel, boy. How you doing? Man, a little kid, what the fuck?
We'll explain everything to you, man.
I know you're gonna explain everything.
Just relax, alright? Roll to your side. Bend your knees. Ready?
Take this one right here.
You got that going?
No weapons or anything on you?
Nah, nothing. Alright, yeah, for sure. Y'all can run me down and everything.
Alright, come over here. Alright, go ahead and stand up for me. Yeah, maybe it's easy.
Roll over first, yeah. Roll over.
And then bend that up there. And then you stand up there.
Can you get the other one?
Yeah, no, one second.
Alright, any weapons? Okay. We're just gonna go on my car right here, okay?
Follow me. Is this car good?
On the other side of my car.
I put on my shorts.
Yeah, if you can.
Alright. You're gonna come to my car, so let's go.
He said it. You heard him when he said it.
Oh, let's go.
About asking me.
Yeah. This way. Walk across the street.
Not even on. He said he was gonna ask me. What's it? Why are you the only mean one here?
I'm not mean.
Bro, you
I'm not
only
mean.
did
Wait,
right
no,
here.
we can
Honestly,
talk more once we get into the car, okay? I got your.
Sorry for calling that, but.
I got your not your duffel bag, with the drawstring bag, all of that. Your makeup.
Why are you
So.
the only one? Not really. Like, when you're doing your
nice
job,
to
I
you.
understand you're doing it. But why you hate it like that? I just want.
Go, step inside. Go.
I'm gonna
Put your feet inside. Perfect. Just a little bit more. I don't want to pinch your skin. Alright. Why are you asking that?
But what happened next wasn't part of any official procedure. As Officer Hare escorted the female suspect to the patrol car, a strange conversation began. What started as innocent questions about marital status quickly escalated into bold, flirtatious propositions. Anthony Hare, an officer with the San Diego Police Department, initially maintained a professional demeanor, reminding her that everything was being recorded, but the temptation didn't stop there.
That's what I should say. If I were in there, she was like,
Head south on Denver Street.
is there a point
Turn right on Claremont Drive.
find a good one and contact you different ways?
I'm not too sure. I'll tell you later. Once in a while. Whatever. Hold on, it's a turn. That's good. It's very loud. I can't hear you. Well, I can't because of all the wind. It's all good. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I remember. Of course. Well, you're not. What's the next fight? Oh no, so everything has to be, yeah. It's not lost or anything, you just have to go pick it up after. Yeah. I already told you. Wait, hold on. I'll tell you after, hold on. A little bit. Well, I can't hear you now. Don't say it now. I said don't say that right now because everything's being recorded right now. going on?
And then the screen went dark. Officer Hare's body camera was turned off. Later, GPS data from the patrol car revealed a troubling fact. Instead of heading directly to the station or Las Colinas jail, the vehicle turned into a quiet residential area and remained there for over 10 minutes. Over an hour later, a desperate call for help was made. When fellow officers arrived, they were stunned. Officer Hare was no longer in the driver's seat. He was locked in the back with the female suspect.
Alright, sir, step out of the vehicle for me. 114 yellow. What code for?
Hare claimed he had accidentally locked himself in while checking on her condition, but is that the whole truth? What really happened during that hour when the camera was off and the patrol car sat silent in the dark?
Do you have anything on you might put some for me? Any personal or anything? No. Just say so.
The suspect said he wanted to be with me after I was done with the arrest. Then he told me to see him again when I got out of jail. So why don't their stories match?
Sorry. I'm gonna check shoes. You want to do that there? Once you case over shoes levels.
I can do the switch later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Investigators found traces of semen on his belt. Both continued to deny any sexual contact in the car, but the evidence seemed to speak for itself.
So I was like this, and then you want me to sit down or?
How you ended up inside.
So like, yeah, so she was laying down, her face was over there. I was just like kind of right here. I was like, hey, well, at first I was like, hey, wake up. I was like, hey, you okay? Blah blah blah. She did like, so her head was facing towards that way. So then this is when I was shaking her, and then this is when I went in. But then I don't know if I had my hand like this, and then something like that happened. Kicked it with my foot like that, and then I was in, and then I was waking her up like this. I was like this, waking her up. While I was waking her up, I hear the door click behind me.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, so yeah, I was like this. And then, when I found out the door was clicked behind me, I positioned myself like this. And I already knew there was no door handle, but I was just like frantic. I was like, I can't get out of here.
Okay.
And then that's when she was able to sit up here. And then I told her, you can stay there, blah, blah, blah. And then I was just like hunkered down like this on my side.
So let me go to the other side, then you climb back in.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, open the door, and then came in like that. I was trying to wake her up. My feet wasn't this. My feet didn't get caught like that. And then when I was like waking her up, and I noticed that this door closed on me, and then that's when I was like trying to open the door, but I know there's no door opener. And then from then she was able to. So I was like this majority of the time. I was trying to get her up because her feet's here.
Okay.
Right here, and then I was trying to like wake her up to get her up, and then next thing you know, I hear the door close on me. I was frantic. I was looking, and then that's when she started to kind of like, I guess, wake up or get dazed off, whatever. And then that's when I asked her like, hey, are you having a hard time breathing? She said no. do you need medics? No. It's like, okay, all right, just stay right there. And then that's when she's trying to open the door.
Okay.
And then that's when I went on D2.
All right, you can jump out. Let's jump out.
Do you mind?
On September 14th, Hare resigned, just one day before his scheduled disciplinary interview. No apology, no further explanation. Under California law, Penal Code, SOR 289.6, sexual contact between an officer and someone in custody is a felony, punishable by 16 months to 3 years in prison and mandatory sex offender registration, even if consensual. What do you think about this case, a professional mishap, or a disturbing abuse of power? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any gripping true stories. We are Police Catch Cam, where the truth always comes to light. See you in the next case.